Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I woke up in the snowy New Jersey. You know, I'm still afraid of pressing this thing. This is the last time I was shocked by static electricity. I woke up in snowy New Jersey and I'm donning in my trademark fedora. Maybe I should look for another one. You know, I lost my last fedora in Mexico. On a ferry. I'm going to number one. I lost it on a ferry. Maybe I should look for another one. It's just that I haven't seen any store here selling them. But if I see one, I'm gonna grab it. I wonder how outside looks like. Ready? Whoa. Look at that. Snowy New Jersey. Never seen this amount of snow. Somebody will say, oh, it's just snow. You know, I grew up not seeing these things. So allow me to have my moment with snow. And the beautiful thing is that when it snows, it doesn't get as cold. Yeah, let me rush. I need to be somewhere. No vehicles are operating today. Still muddy with ice. Get off the road. That is me in snow. I'm in the snowy New Jersey. Ladies and gentlemen, everything is white except for the roads, which are a little bit black. This is a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Now this is what we call snow. A couple of days ago it was threatening to snow, but now it really did snow. We have a lot of snow. You see, even less traffic, people are at home. I'll give you a 360 view from above with my Insta360 camera. The 360 view of snowy New Jersey.